Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Learn and Prepare. So I'm here with the part 5 of our general knowledge questions. This video is about the first of Pakistan. By first I mean we'll discuss who was the first Prime Minister, President, Governor General, Lieutenant General, and all these things. We'll discuss all these, like who was the first pilot, female pilot, fighter pilot. So let's start the video. Our very first slide is about the achievements. Dr. Abdul Salam was the first Pakistani to win Nobel Prize in 1979 in physics. Captain Raja Sarwar was the first person who received Nishane-e-Haider, and Sharmeen Obaid-Chinoy was the first Pakistani to win Oscar in 2012 for the documentary Saving Faces. Our next slide is also about achievements. Nazir Shabir was the first Pakistani to climb Mount Everest on 17 of May in 2000. And Shehbaz Khan was the first Pakistani to summit all 14 8,000ers on 4th of October 2024, while our youngest Pakistani to summit all 14 8,000ers was Shehroz Kashif. Now we'll talk about judiciary. Our first female Chief Justice was Sayyida Tahira Safdar, and the first female judge of Supreme Court was Aisha A. Malik. First Chief Justice of Federal Sharia Court was Salahuddin Ahmed. Our first Chief Justice was Justice Abdul Rashid, and the female judge of High Court was Majida Rizvi. We'll talk about government now. Our first Prime Minister was Liaquat Ali Khan. Benazir Bhutto was the first female Prime Minister of Pakistan. Iskandar Mirza was the first President, while Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the first Governor General of Pakistan. Our first Finance Minister was Ghulam Muhammad, and Zafarullah Khan was the first Foreign Minister, and our first female Foreign Minister was Hina Ribani. Ayub Khan was the first elected president, while Nurul Amin was the first vice president, and Chaudhry Muhammad Ali was the first secretary general. First female member of parliament was Begum Shaista Sohrawardi Ikramullah. First chairman Senate was Khan Habibullah, and the first Speaker of National Assembly was Muhammad Ali Jinnah, while our first Deputy Speaker of National Assembly was Muhammad Tamizuddin. Now we'll talk about State Bank of Pakistan. Zahid Hussain was the first person who was appointed as the governor of State Bank of Pakistan, and our very first female who was appointed as the governor of State Bank of Pakistan was Shamshad Akhtar. She was appointed in 2006. Now we'll talk about armed forces. Our first commander-in-chief was General Sir Frank Messervy in 1947. And the first chief of army staff was General Tikka Khan in 1972. Our first martial law was imposed on 7th October 1958. Our first female lieutenant general was Nigar Johar, and the first fighter pilot of Pakistan was M.M. Alam, and the first female fighter pilot of Pakistan was Aisha Farooq. Maryam Mukhtar was the first Pakistani female Air Force pilot to embrace martyrdom. Hafiz, now we'll talk the general questions, like these are the random one. Hafiz Kardab was the first captain of cricket team, and Fatima Jinnah Women University was the very first female university that was established in Pakistan, and our first census of Pakistan was in 1951. The first female pilot of Pakistan was Shukriya Khanum, and the first citizen and passport holder of Pakistan was Muhammad Asad. Iran was the first country to recognize Pakistan. Our very first public airline was Orient Airline, while the very first private airline was Hajwari Airline. The first constructed barrage was Sakar Barrage that was constructed in 1932. And our very first motorway was Islamabad-Lahore motorway in 1997. So this was for today. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Learn and prepare. Much love and care. Allah Hafiz.